Once there was an egg named Eggbert, placed in a carton inside a fridge. He was always worried as other eggs used to cut jokes on him in calling his names. One day he decided to leave the carton and jump out of the fridge. Though he was sad, but he was startled to see a lot of amazing things outside the carton and the fridge. Suddenly he saw a frying pan with hot oil in it. Out of temptation and curiosity, he decided to go and touch it. Oh, as he touched it, he started feeling it hot and unescapable. His shell ruptured and all in it came out. Oh no! It was burning hot in the pan. The egg repented his decision to leave carton in fridge. Finally, he became a fried egg and could no more go back to his carton in fridge to tell other eggs his story. He wished he could not have left his place in carton, and would have faced friendly jokes and names from his friends instead of getting out and get cooked up by frying pan. From bad to worse, one should face challenges and should not run away. Question time. Why did the egg leave the carton? Options are to go out and see the world, to escape from other eggs cutting jokes. He was feeling cold in fridge. Why did the egg go in the frying pan? Because of curiosity, to get warm after being in fridge, to surprise a cook. What happened to Eggbert when he went in the frying pan? He got warm. He got superpowers. He turned into a fried egg. What do you think was the right thing for egg? Leave the fridge. Stay and face the problem. Go to frying pan and get fried. Word bank. Vocabulary. Repented means to regret, to feel bad about past. Curiosity means a strong desire to learn. Thank you, friends. Like and subscribe, please.